How to fix Epic Games error IS-0003 install failed. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Epic Games error IS-003 install failed. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to actually head over to our search bar in here and search for run. So search for run and click on open right here, and then from in there just type in %local up data. So let's type that in and then click on OK, and then this will open this right here. So what we need to do is to just locate Epic Games right here and then right click on it and then click on delete. So that will essentially clear the cache of your Epic Games. Now that you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to uninstall Epic Games on your computer. So before you uninstall it, open it first, and then from in there, click on your library, and then just click on these three dots, and then click on manage, and then back up all the games that you have on your Epic Games. Now that you have back up it, what you need to do next is to uninstall it. To do that, click on this search bar here again, and search for control panel. So click on open right here, then this will open this. Click on uninstall a program, then from in there scroll down until you can find Epic Games. So here's Epic Games, just click on it and then click on yes to uninstall it, and after you have uninstalled it, open a browser and then search for Epic Games. So let's search for Epic Games right here. And then this will load, and you can see this, the download Epic Games launcher. So click on that. This will open a new window wherein you can click on this to download the Epic Games launcher. So you can click on that and then just follow the instructions that it will send you, and that should be able to fix your problem. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Epic Games error IS-003 install failed. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.